Leaving pugs alone with small pets at night, what you need to know. Can pugs be left alone with a small pet at night? Pugs have gained immense popularity as companion dogs throughout the years. With their adorable wrinkled faces and playful personalities, it's no wonder that they have captured the hearts of many dog lovers. However, their compact size and gentle nature often raise the question of whether it is safe to leave them alone with other small pets, especially at night when supervision might be limited. Pugs are known to be social and affectionate, which makes them great companion animals. They enjoy being around humans and other animals, and they usually get along well with them. However, their interactions with small pets, particularly during unsupervised times, can vary depending on several factors. Firstly, it is important to consider the specific temperament and personality of the pug in question. While most pugs are generally friendly, some may exhibit possessive or dominant behaviors towards other pets. This can be particularly concerning if the pug is left alone with a small pet, as it may lead to conflicts or possible injuries. Secondly, the size and vulnerability of the small pet should also be taken into account. Pugs are relatively small dogs themselves, but they do have a sturdy build. However, if the small pet is exceptionally fragile or delicate, such as a small bird or a tiny rodent, it might be risky to leave them unsupervised together, as the pug's playful nature could unintentionally cause harm. Furthermore, the age and training of both the pug and the small pet play a crucial role in determining whether they can be left alone together. Puppies, for example, are generally more energetic and less experienced in socializing with other animals. Leaving a young pug puppy alone with a small pet might increase the chances of rough play or accidents occurring. Additionally, the small pet's training and familiarity with the pug can influence their ability to navigate interactions and avoid potential conflicts. It is also important to assess the living environment and resources available to both the pug and the small pet when left alone together. Providing enough space and separate areas for each pet can help prevent any conflicts or territorial behaviors. Access to toys, beds, and other resources should also be considered to ensure that both pets feel comfortable and have their individual needs met. While there are potential risks and considerations involved in leaving pugs alone with small pets at night, with proper supervision and the right circumstances, it can be done safely. If you are planning on leaving them together, there are some precautions you can take to minimize any potential issues. Firstly, it is recommended to gradually introduce the pug and the small pet to each other in a controlled environment before leaving them alone together. This can help establish familiarity and reduce the chances of any initial misunderstandings or conflicts. Secondly, providing separate sleeping areas or crates can be beneficial, especially during the initial stages of leaving them alone together. This will allow each pet to have their own space and minimize the chances of any territorial behaviors. Another important aspect to consider is providing enough mental and physical stimulation for the pug. This can help prevent boredom and potentially destructive behaviors that might arise from being left alone with a small pet. Regular exercise and interactive toys can help keep the pug entertained and distracted while the small pet is present. Additionally, it is crucial to monitor their interactions closely, especially during the first few times they are left alone together. This will enable you to observe their behaviors and intervene if necessary to prevent any potential conflicts or harm. In conclusion, whether or not pugs can be left alone with small pets at night depends on various factors such as temperament, size, vulnerability, age, training, and the overall environment. While some pugs may be capable of peacefully coexisting with small pets, others may exhibit behaviors that could pose a risk. It is important to consider these factors and take necessary precautions to ensure the safety and well-being of both pets when leaving them unsupervised.